Say you on roll.
Hell no.
KC. Huh?
What? They said don't know. Rap City girls. They said rap don't know. New Year. Hell no.
You
They
talking
said
about
new.
Debris.
They said llama.
Let me see. Let me look it up.
I'm done.
Yeah, she got the trap on right now. she on the trap.
ABC.
Check inbox. Alright, whatever you talking about, DM me and I'm, you know what I'm saying?
Bleak, what you talking about, Bleak?
You know you my nigga. I got you. I got you.
Where them killers? What's that?
Girl, fuck phone.
Some old shit.
That ain't a dumb ass.
Llama.
You gotta do 2 L's. There you go.
Not the burner fun. That's why I ain't putting it on there.
Yeah, I play the beat. We're 2 leg.
She probably be watching you. They was just watching you.
Who? On chair.
Mm-hmm.
Where y'all was at?
Let me talk to you in that room. Talk to who?
Who said that?
I think that. Glow, you ain't on here. You want the beat? You might know the song.
Jason.
He had his part on.
Yep. Jason, why you on my live and you at your after party? I'm a rapper,
You not. I'm finna do the beat. You don't need the lyric. It's a book.
Anyways, life's great.
Pussy still good.
Still eating cake, wishing that a bitch would. Them folks said, mom for us. I don't.
What?
That sound like me cross. He said you supposed to read in between the lines, sis. Oh! I'm letting you know now. That ain't even gonna work. Sis cuffed. Sis cuffed.
Like the beat, fool. Yeah, we can't rap this. Sorry.
What?
We having technical difficulties.
I be like this, y'all.
How you be? How you be doing it?
Hey.
I said, can you write him a G-Wagon Glow?
He like, there you go. I'm letting you know right now, she in love. I ain't talking about you.
Oh, girl. I'm trying to think about who you talking about.
See you night, man, though. Happy. I already said happy. Y'all want me to keep doing it? Yes, I do, girl.
Glow, how you think?
Dude, tell these folks I be on like this.
Yeah. How he pretty, I feel.
He had a Polaroid.
All y'all bitches sweet. You smell good. You must have got a tub.
You don't want to know what I smell.
Gotta stop.
I'm finna leave. You don't have to fucking worry about me anymore. You tripping.
Hey, where your phone?
I'm trying to see what right there you need.
Yeah, I'm finna rap Llama.
Go on YouTube.
I'm trying to see why they down there shaving birds and shit.
Scott. Whole bird he shaved. His friend.
Nah, what's his name?
They still in that room, Tula.
Yeah.
What the fuck Jerry and them doing?
Oh,
Look, I said drop your guns on that freestyle.
Yeah, that was the first rap I ever wrote, and I don't remember it. I was talking some gangster shit, though. What the fuck I'm supposed to do? Google. What the fuck?
Your voice deep as fuck. Y'all sound like the G and G. Who is
Sound like the 2 Cook Queen.
shorter than like what?
Two, though. Okay.
We love you too.
Who said that?
You said one of
We
something.
love y'all. You ain't got no songs on her phone.
You talking about? Yes, I do. You talking about of your shit?
I'm talking about no songs. Instrumental. Okay.
The fuck say get you 2 gold slugs.
What's that? She gonna lick her lips and walk off.
Tuna. Salute y'all real ones. Y'all stick together. That's 100%.
I gotta do it to F and F.
Jackass got me looking up the wrong beat and shit.
You finna freestyle?
The
I've
llama
been do
llama.
llama. Okay, let me go to your Google.
He said you think I'm feeling good. Is you feeling good? No fuck.
You thought I was feeling you?
Yeah,
That nigga Munch. The nigga killed. The nigga he ate it for lunch. Bitch, I'm a
That's what I said. The girl in the back, black as fuck. Look at the video my friend sent you.
And your pussy stank as fuck.
Fuck. That's that CS page. There she go. Text these chicks. These chicks big in
Oh,
text.
trail, y'all. Wait, what you talking about? Young Ro.
What you say?
He on the trail.
What's the trail?
I don't know what the trail is. Oh, they don't even let me read the motherfucker.
You gotta pay for that.
You gotta pay for the llama llama book. Damn.
We ain't reading every comment. Ugly.
What's nobody say?
Yeah, I done gotta read every comment.
You ain't gotta suck every dick.
You ain't gotta lick.
They like show your face on the side. I'm trying to see something. What the fuck you want to see, little ugly ass little girl?
They wanna see how motherfuckers do like this.
You thought I was feeling you?
They said, can you say hey Destiny? Hey Destiny.
Hi, how are ya, Destiny?
I said, why does it matter if she's black or not?
Hey.
Damn, they really talking about I'm black, ain't it?
Hey, you're white. What are you talking about?
Hey, totally.
Where the fuck is the lyrics to Llama
This a
Llama?
mask that I got on. This ain't even really my skin color. I'm really white as fuck. Bitch.
Say, bitch.
Lyrics.
Hi, Pam. They said, can you say hi, Pam? That's it, but she proper as hell. Who proper?
Hello, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are ya? Y'all some childish summer bitches.
They said, nah, we love the chocolate one. That's what I said, turn the light off. That chick you fool.
I don't give a fuck.
You finna do what you always want to do.
What the fuck?
Fuck you so bad. Let's
Adrian Bronner.
Y'all so
Hell
childish.
no.
I can't find a song worth of goddamn shit.
Hella hot eyes for you, babe.
That damn sucker just. Oh.
You better hurry up.
Is it what?
Oh.
I can't find these lyrics worth of
You
goddamn
ain't
fuck.
that too.
Want me to buy the
If I
books
said
all bad.
y'all, the fuck.
Okay, here we go. Yeah, I'm finna do it. I'm finna see if I go longer this time. Glorilla. There you go. On the gun. Llama, rip a jump, reach store, reach his mama kiss his baby her. Mama, llama, go downstairs. Llama, rip a jump, fill his llama down his mama. Llama, want to drink. Llama, zit to keep the sink. Llama, rip a jump, call down to his llama, mama. Llama said she be up soon. Baby, llama, him soon. Llama, rip a jump, waiting for his mama. Mama, is it coming yet? Baby, llama starts to fret. Llama, rip a jump, with the stopping to his mama. I don't know, see some stupid ass lyrics on.
What?